Hi, Julie here from Main Street Dance and Music and free live tap dance classes and recordings. This is a video of a Hamilton tap dance that I choreographed for our first challenge winner. She entered our first popcorn tap dance challenge and happened to be a local contestant, so she came in person for us to tap together. She asked to do a song from Hamilton, so this is the song I chose, and this is the dance we did. If you would like to learn this dance and have me add on to it, please comment below and I will make a tutorial for this song. Happy tapping!